If I had to guess what has made people on the internet collectively the most amount of money ever, it's probably affiliate marketing. And I know it gets a bad name, but today we're going to debunk that, and we're going to show you how you can actually use this to make money. Even if you don't want to be a full-time affiliate marketer, because you don't have to. For example, I've made money and I continue to make money with affiliate marketing, and I do not in any way consider myself an affiliate marketer. But I can still use it as a tool in my life to make money. And so can you. This is day 13 of 100 Days of Finance, where the entire goal is to give you more personal finance education in 100 days than most people receive in their entire lifetime. As always, my name is Derek and I got my degree in finance, so you don't have to. Let's get right into the video. So what is affiliate marketing and how can you use it? Well, in essence, it is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business pays you for each customer or sale that is brought to the business by your efforts, usually through a link that tracks sales. This means that affiliates earn a commission for each sale or lead that they generate for a business. And at the end of the day, that is all that it is. It gets a bad name because influencers push products that they don't actually believe in. But what if you're really passionate about something? Or maybe you've used that product or software for years and you love it and you know it works. And what if you know in your heart that that product can help other people just like you? And what if at the same time for bringing an awareness to this product, you can get paid for it? Now, should that get a bad name? Or is it simply your duty to help get the word out about this product? See, there are positives and negatives to basically everything in life, but you can absolutely stay on the positive side and still make money. Now that we got that out of the way, how does affiliate marketing even work? Well, some businesses have an affiliate program, and they provide affiliates with a link or a code that tracks sales directly attributed to that affiliate. The affiliate then earns a commission on each sale or lead that they generate. And one of the main advantages to affiliate marketing is that you don't need your own product. That means if you want to start your journey in entrepreneurship, this is probably a good place to start. And in reality, it's very similar to franchising for the internet. Why try and compete against Chick-fil-A when you can instead use their customer base, their name, their brand, and their resources? Affiliate marketing is the same approach. Now, how do you go about becoming successful at this, especially if you're brand new to entrepreneurship? The first step is 100% find something that you are truly passionate about or that you have expertise in. I am a huge believer that passion breeds success. So your first step is to find something that you are truly passionate about, or that you are an expert in, or that you have used for a long time and that you know works. Once that is done, you need to build respect with a group or an audience. Here's the thing. In business, especially nowadays, people do not buy a product because of the product. They buy things because they like the person that is selling them. So if you are going to sell anything, you need a group of people who like you and trust you. Now look, this is a fact for any business. So if you truly want to be an entrepreneur, you're going to have to do this regardless of if you're affiliate marketing or selling your own product. So don't bitch, don't moan, just do. And look, in a lot of ways, affiliate marketing is not that much different from selling your own product. If you affiliate market, you're going to have expenses, like the part of the commission that the company keeps. But if you start your own business, you are still going to have expenses, and a lot of the time, more expenses. So affiliate marketing is a great place to start because you get to take advantage of someone else's already established brand. But at the same time, it is still a business. You still have to build your own personal brand, and you still have to take it very seriously. Which is why, as we progress through our series of 100 Days of Finance, we are going to continue covering topics like entrepreneurship, online business, and personal finance to make you a smarter human and a better business person. Now, I hope this was an easy to watch introduction to affiliate marketing. In tomorrow's video, we're going to be returning to the world of personal finance and investing, covering what is considered to be a good return on investment across various different investment vehicles, like stocks, bonds, and real estate. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss that video. I love this stuff. It's been my passion for over a decade, and I love to be able to share that with you. Again, my name is Derek, and I got my degree in finance, so you don't have to. I will see you in tomorrow's video.